Welcome back to Innovative Machine. In today's episode, I'm going to show you 5 amazing small machines that you can buy to start a profitable business right from your home and scale it to new heights. So let's dive into this amazing journey. Thermocol plate production machine. Friends, if you're looking to dive into the disposable foodware business, then the Thermocol plate production machine is a must-have investment. This powerful machine uses PS foam sheets to produce a wide range of disposable products, like plates, bowls, and food trays, and it does it all automatically. It's equipped with heating, molding, and cutting systems, allowing you to create lightweight, durable, and heat-insulating food plates that are perfect for fast food outlets, catering services, and outdoor dining events. Not only is the foam material economical, but it also provides the convenience and cleanliness that the food service industry demands. And that's not all. With vacuum forming capabilities, this machine can also produce foam lunchboxes and other food packaging products, meeting a variety of market needs. If you're targeting the growing demand for disposable food containers, this machine is a profitable and smart investment for starting or expanding your business. Laser portable engraving cutter. Friends, this is a machine that can literally change your life. With this small device, you can easily start a creative and profitable business from your home. By looking at it, you might have guessed what it does, but let me explain. Around your home, you'll find many items with logos or brand names printed on them. Whether it's wood, metal, plastic, or cloth, branding is everywhere, and this machine does that branding work. Now, how can you make money with it? Simple. You can make customized wooden toys by engraving cool designs, just like you're seeing in this video. Just pick any design from the internet, connect the machine with your mobile or computer, place a plastic or wooden sheet, and in just a minute, your machine will engrave the exact design. And not just toys. People love custom nameplates on their gates and houses. You can create personalized plates on the spot exactly as the customer demands. This little powerhouse can engrave on cloth, plastic, cement, leather, and more. It's electric rechargeable, comes with 2 batteries, each lasting up to 100 minutes, and it's extremely compact. And the best part? You can buy this amazing machine for just $700. Phone case printer, now! Friends, let's talk about a machine that's perfect for the fashion and personalized gifts market. The phone case printer lets you print high-resolution, full-color designs directly onto phone cases. Whether it's plastic, silicone, or even metal cases, this printer creates vibrant, durable, and scratch-resistant prints. It's ideal for businesses offering customized accessories because today, everyone wants a unique phone case. Small shops, online stores, and even artists can make big profits with this machine. You can start with beginner-friendly models at around $500. And if you want a full commercial setup, machines can cost up to $10,000. Best part? It's automated and easy to operate, meaning no need to hold big inventories or outsource designs. Print on demand and grow your business fast. Pulp molding machine. Friends, if you want to start a sustainable packaging business, then this machine is a total game changer. The Pulp molding machine transforms recycled paper and cardboard into strong, eco-friendly packaging. It's widely used in industries like food packaging, electronics, and shipping protection. Here's how it works. It mixes water and shredded paper to create a slurry, and then molds it into products like egg trays, fruit trays, vegetable trays, cup carriers, and even electronic product packaging. Big companies love this machine because it reduces environmental impact and lowers production costs at the same time. With advanced models, you can mold hundreds of units per hour, making it super profitable. Whether you're a small manufacturer or planning to supply packaging to bigger brands, this machine is a smart investment. Prices start around $8,000 and can go up to $115,000, depending on the size and features. If you want to build a green, high-demand business, this is the machine you need. Pillow filling machine. The pillow filling machine is an essential asset for businesses in the home textile and furniture industries. Designed to quickly and efficiently fill pillows, cushions, and stuffed products with materials like fiber, foam, or down. This machine dramatically speeds up production while maintaining consistent quality. It uses high-pressure blowing systems to evenly distribute filling material, ensuring every product feels soft, full, and perfectly shaped. Pillow filling machines are highly versatile, allowing businesses to produce a wide range of products, from standard bed pillows to decorative cushions and even pet beds, thanks to their automation and precision. These machines significantly reduce labor costs and production time, boosting overall profitability. Entry-level models typically start around $2,000, while high-end commercial machines with multiple nozzles and automatic weighing systems can reach $15,000 or more. For companies looking to scale their soft goods production, the pillow filling machine offers a reliable, cost-effective solution to meet growing market demands for comfort and quality. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to share it with your friends. That's it for today. See you in the next episode.